Hey Starseeds, welcome back to another video. So guys, I have had this jackfruit on my countertop ripening away for this video. Now, I've never opened up a jackfruit before, so this is very exciting for me. Excuse the high-pitched voice, but I get really excited when it comes to new foods. The only jackfruit that I've actually tasted is from a jar. Okay, but now I'm really excited that I'm actually gonna crack this open. There's just one little problem. I've never cracked open a jackfruit, and also I think I see a little bit of mold on it because it's been sitting here waiting for Friday to come around so that we could shoot this video. Anyways, hopefully on the inside it's nice and fresh and tasty, but we will see. So if any of you are wondering how to know if a jackfruit is ripe, you see all these black spikes? Well, these should be very brown, like dark brown. So now these are all dark brown, as like a few days ago they weren't. They were more yellow and greenish. And also when you press on it, it should sort of squish down, like it should be a little soft, which signifies that it's ripe. I got my knife, I got my gloves, piece of parchment paper, and we're going in. Basically, I am going to cut this like I would cut a watermelon. So, huh? It's in.
It's in?
It's in. Can you see clearly from there?
Yeah.
So far, it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. There is a very strong odor emanating from my jackfruit. And I just hope that it is fresh inside, because I did see a little bit of mold on the outside of the skin. Kind of smells like a pineapple for some reason. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like a pineapple, but okay, let's continue to cut around. There it is, there's the moldy part. I know it's not charming, but I'm hoping that that's just one little part of the jackfruit and not all the way inside. Ah, Greg, I need your help.
You can do it.
I did some push-ups this morning. You know, I got prepared for today's video. But wait, I need to bring this back to the center. Okay, let me just bring it. Oh yeah. Oh, look, something came out.
What is that?
A little jackfruit surprise. I think it needs a little more cutting. Or maybe I should just like pry it open.
It looks like a scene from The Alien.
Really? Wait.
Is it like an alien egg?
Hold on.
Oh, no.
Come on, it's like I feel like I'm giving birth here.
You don't even know what it feels
Wait,
like to give birth.
hold on. You know what? This needs to be cut a little more. Wait. Yeah. It's this side that really needs some help. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, ready? Look! I did it! I just hope that the jackfruit is not moldy. And that's the reason why I'm wearing gloves, is because it's a very slimy affair. And look, a little jackfruit piece. This is way different than the canned ones. Okay, so this is what the inside of a jackfruit looks like. And now what we're gonna do is just remove these seeds. And I guess once we remove the seeds, we are just going to push out the fruit. What is the deal? Oh my God, look! Wow, look at this, guys. Beautiful. Gorgeous. So different than the canned jackfruit. So I'm gonna just put this in my little bowl. But actually, I love experimenting with new foods, and it makes me feel more connected to the planet and to the earth because you don't want to keep eating the same things over and over again and then buying everything from the store. It's such a different experience altogether when you actually grow your own food and you can pick your own fruit and your vegetables. I wish I had a jackfruit tree, but I don't. This jackfruit is from Paphos, I think, in Cyprus, which is the country that I live in. And it's very rare to find jackfruit in Cyprus. So I was super excited when I found it. For those of you watching who are in Cyprus, I found this at Brinos grocery store in Larnaca. So, oh yeah, woo, look at that. Nice, chunky. The thing I love about jackfruit is that you can make some serious curries with this jackfruit, and it sort of reminds you of the texture of pulled pork. I know it doesn't sound appetizing, does it? Because we all love pigs. But the truth is that you can make great sandwiches with this, curries, and which is why I get the canned ones, you know, because it's not always easy to find fresh jackfruit, obviously. Oh yeah, great.
Big chunk.
Yeah. Guys, it smells, you know what it smells like? It smells like pineapple. If anyone watching this has come into contact with a fresh piece of jackfruit, please comment down below and let me know what did it smell like, because for me it smells exactly like a pineapple. So I'm having a lot of trouble taking out the jackfruit because it goes way deep into the fruit. So I'm gonna try something. I'm just gonna turn it over. And I'm gonna try to kind of slice the outer part of the skin. Okay, so I cut rings basically, and now I'm just gonna try and peel off the skin. Okay, so we're oh my God, it's working. You see that? So we're just peeling the skin off. So actually the whole thing is oh, there it is. So if you're not afraid, and you just dig deep. Basically everything came off. But look, we got one. This is going in our bowl. Look.
What happened to your hand?
Yeah, it's all the spikes from the jackfruit. It's cutting my gloves. So if this happens, you just wanna carefully cut off the skin and then place it into your jackfruit bowl. Guys, guys, look at this. Look at it. It's like a watermelon. This is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, guys.
Yeah.
I can make a seriously delicious curry with this. Oh, I think there's a seed in there. Get the seed out. Okay, so I think it was a pretty horrible first time. Make sure that you're wearing gloves when you're opening a jackfruit, because it's a pretty sticky affair, but also make sure the gloves are, I don't even know what to tell you, stronger than the ones I'm wearing. The surface of the jackfruit totally ripped my gloves, so now my skin is exposed. But I'm really excited about it. Look at all this meat we got from it. This is just not even half of the jackfruit, so there's a lot of meat to remove still from the jackfruit. Okay, so we are actually ready to try the inside of the jackfruit. Ta-da! Washed, freshly washed and ready to be eaten. Yes.
Do I have to?
You know, there's like this phobia, I think, because we're so disconnected to nature that when we find an exotic fruit, we're almost scared to try the inside of it because we think like we're gonna get an allergy or we're gonna die because we had jackfruit. I don't know.
Just give it a jackfruit and...
Oh, by the way, did you know that with the jackfruit seeds, you can actually grind them up and make a flour? That's pretty awesome, I think.
Let's see. Do I take the first bite?
Yes. Do you like it?
It's such a strange taste.
Holy sh! Oh my God!
Don't swear. You want to get demonetized by YouTube?
Okay. Guys,
It's a strange taste.
this is the juiciest, most flavorful fruit I have ever eaten.
It almost tastes like pineapple.
It tastes like bubble gum. Does that make sense?
No. I really like
This
this.
is such a treat. Mmm. Wait, tastes like pineapple?
It does a little bit, yeah.
It tastes like, I feel like it actually tastes like
It's a
pineapple, mango, passion fruit,
Yeah,
like
it's like-
all in one fruit. That's what I
And
feel.
also, unlike a pineapple, it's not so watery. Like pineapples are very watery when you bite into it. This is like
This is chunky.
meat, like yeah.
Like it's meaty, you're right, it's meaty, but it's also so fresh.
It's
And
really amazing.
it's good.
I really like it. I want more.
You know what it reminds me of too?
Well, that reminds me of an alien egg from the movie Aliens.
Here.
So, I guess I'm eating aliens right now.
You know the juicy fruit is gonna move ya. You know, like the juicy fruit gum? You remember that flavor that it has, that burst of flavor? That's what this tastes like, seriously. This is the juicy fruit gum.
It's really
And
good.
you know what? This whole bowl is from half of a jackfruit. I still have the other half to remove the flesh from, look. So there's a whole lot of
And it's
flesh.
a small jackfruit.
Yeah, and it's a mini jackfruit. Like imagine the ones that are like this big. This is like the smallest jackfruit that you can find.
So tasty.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Hopefully nothing happens to us tonight.
It's delicious, and I haven't even gotten into the nutritional profile of jackfruit. I wish I did my research. But anyway, I'm sure it's loaded with a lot of nutrients. It is, after all, a fresh fruit. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am definitely going to be enjoying this jackfruit. So if you haven't subscribed, I hope you guys subscribe, because we are here every single Wednesdays and Sundays giving you pretty cool plant-based videos. So love you. Bye.